Yeah, I'll just pop it open.
You're gonna pop it. Wait, so you're gonna drink it?
You know what? I wasn't supposed to be working like that.
Hold on.
I wish I had a smaller
Right.
knife.
Hold on. Let me come round here.
I'm gonna have to throw the knife down. Yeah. I'll do it in a second.
Terrible. We're all gonna get wet, aren't we?
Yeah.
Go. Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Good? That was really funny. Yeah, I got wet. Smooth.